next topic, I let Jakub talk about the dbt cloud integration. So we already had the dbt core using the open source dbt standalone, and this is about when people use dbt cloud to run their dbt jobs.
Yeah, thank you for the brief introduction, Julian. As you just said, right now we have the, could you please move forward? Because I don't think I have the control. So right now we have only the script wrapper that allows you to replace the dbt with dbt-ol. So for example, you can run dbt-ol run or build, and the wrapper invokes metadata processing and sends open lineage events. But this works only with local dbt project. You couldn't use it with dbt cloud. And briefly, how the open lineage events were created is that each supported dbt node that, and currently we have models, test sources, and snapshots become a separate run. So this is also a, for example, in our case, this is a node in the graph, visible in the lineage graph. And the parent run reflects the whole dbt or command call. So whenever you try to run anything with this script wrapper, it creates parent run. So this is pretty important when it comes to dbt cloud integration. So what we have in the dbt cloud integration, the main difference is that each run, Julian, please. So each run can have multiple steps in dbt cloud. Each step reflects some command that you can run. Basically, I think that you can run dbt, run, build, and I don't know, with some docs. Some of them produce or should produce the same manifest and run results JSON files that the local dbt core command produces, and we are making use of it. So the whole integration is pretty similar to what we have in the local dbt integration. We just changed the way how we retrieve the metadata and how we treat the metadata within each step in dbt cloud. So because of that, a parent run comparing to dbt-ol is not the call of the dbt, but the step, which is basically a call, but within one of the steps. And also because of the similarities between local and cloud dbt, there is a dbt artifact processor class that makes sure that the naming convention for both integrations stays the same. That includes namespaces, job or dataset names, and probably some more. Well, that's my thinking, but dbt-ol could be run only from bash, so you could run it in Airflow, of course, with maybe bash operator or some wrapping operator that you could customize. But actually, dbt cloud has its own provider in Airflow, and we are making use of it. So whenever you execute dbt cloud run job operator on or dbt cloud job run sensor that waits for the execution of dbt cloud run, the OpenImage events are produced. Also, we use dbt cloud hook to make the retrieval of metadata easier, because this is already written there. Because we are using the OpenImage Airflow integration, Julian, please. Because we are using this OpenImage Airflow integration, we need, at least for now, we need to handle the 10 seconds thread timeout. And in this case, this seems to be pretty important, because there could be some cases where downloading and processing artifacts from dbt cloud might be too long to make it in 10 seconds. And this is the time frame that is not configurable in OpenImage Airflow integration. But on the other hand, there is a workaround, let's say, for that. So each step can be retrieved asynchronously. So we can parallelize that and just emit lineage in the order at the end. And also we can fetch the job and project info at the start, not on the complete. So we can reduce the time of all the steps that are needed to extract the metadata by getting the job and project information. Also, I wanted to mention that this 10-second thread timeout is no longer viable in the AIP 53 related release of Airflow OpenImage provider that I believe Maciej was talking about in the previous meeting. And as I said, the rest is really the same. So I encourage you, for those who use dbt cloud, to check the integration and see if it really produces the same as dbt local, because I think that for many people, the dbt cloud just enables some companies to schedule to maintain the repository in the dbt cloud. So that's, I think, the reason to create this dbt cloud integration as well. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.